Jai Gurudev to all of you. Today we discuss the new topic is the median. We have a three type of data. First kind is xi is equals to x1, x2, x3, x4 and so on up to xn. We want to find that kind of data as median. We are using the following steps. First one is arrange the data. Arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Now the second point is count the number of data is n. If case 1 n is odd, so the median is n plus 1 by 2 with position value. If case number 2 n is uneven, so median is equals to 1 by 2 into n by 2 with position value plus n by 2 plus 1 with position value. We are putting it, added them and half of it. I repeat again. First we arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Count the number of data. N is odd, so the median having this case n plus 1 by 2 with position value. N is even, so median is 1 by 2 n by 2 with position value plus n by 2 plus 1 with position value. Example first, find the median of the data 2, 6, 11, 3, 19, 14, 23, 15, 20. We want to find the median of it, so arrange the data in ascending order. First we write the number is 2, then 3, 6, 11, 14, 15, 19, 20, 23. Count the number of data, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of observation is n equals to 9, 9 be the odd number. So in that case we have median is n plus 1 by 2 with position value. So 9 plus 1 by 2 with position value, 10 by 2 fifth position value. We count the fifth position of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the number is 14. So the median of that kind of data is 14. Now type 2. We have a type 2. Type 2 is xi with respect to their frequency. We given that the xi is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and with their corresponding frequency is 3, 6, 1, 4 and 7. These are the two tables are given. We want to find the median of it. First of all we have to find out their cumulative frequency table. That is 3. Added 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 7 21. 21 plus 11 is equals to 32. So the total number of frequency, say that capital N is 32 even. So the median class is n by 2 with size value. Now n is 32, 32 by 2 with size value, 32 by 2 60th size value and the 60 lies in a fourth column in a cumulative frequency table. 16 lies in a fourth column. 16 lies in a fourth column value. Corresponding their value of xi is 34. Corresponding their value of xi is 34. So the median is 34. So the median is 34. That is the second type of data. Now third type of data with their class interval and the frequency are given that. Class interval are given 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50 and 50, 60. With their frequency are given 4, 3, 6, 8, 2, 10. Now that kind of data again we are finding the cumulative frequency table, that is 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 to 23, 23 plus 10, 33. Capital N is 33. Now that is the odd number, so the median class is equals to n plus 1 by 2 with size value. If n is even, we are using n by 2. If capital N is odd, so we are using n plus 1 by 2 with size value. Put capital N is 33, 33 plus 1 by 2 is 34 by 2 is 17. 70th size value lies in a again fourth column in a cumulative frequency table. So that is called the median class. In previous question it is given that xi, but in that case we have given that the class interval format. So we are using the formula to calculate their median. So the formula of median L1 plus n plus 1 by 2th value minus capital F by small f into h, in which L1 is a lower limit of a median class, n plus 1 by 2th size value is a median class value. Capital F is a just preceding frequency in a cumulative frequency table of a median class. I repeat again, capital F is a just preceding frequency of the median class and small f is the frequency of a median class. Capital F is a frequency of a cumulative frequency table just preceding it in a median class. Small f is the frequency of the median class. Now we put these all values. L1 is a lower limit of median class, L2 is the upper limit of median class, L2 minus L1 is a class interval represented by I, either capital H, either H. I or H is a length of class interval. It will be L2 minus L1. L1 is a lower limit, L2 be the upper limit. Put these values. L1 is 30 plus n plus 1 by 2th value is 17 minus 13 by 8 into 10. That is 4 by 8 into 10. 4 2 are 8, 2 5 are 10, 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 is their median. That is the answer. Thank you.